Hi everyone. Here I connected two indoor unit and two outdoor unit. I'll show the settings how I make in devices. This is the main indoor one. You will find here it's main indoor station. I selected as main indoor station and device location indoor one and all one. Now in device you will find related device outdoor station IP address 20, door station IPS address 21. So these are the settings you have to make when you want to connect two indoor unit and two outdoor unit. As much as you can increase it. Now you will find on the second indoor 2 you can see here you will see I selected indoor station as extension and device location as extension 1. Then main door settings you can find room name in indoor 2 and IP address of the first unit and you put the password and apply. So after doing all the settings you will find if I click the first indoor outdoor you can see it will come on both indoor, and here if I press the second outdoor it will also show both that you can answer and open the gate. And one more you can do one more thing, like this is the main. So from here if you press the one extension for the second one you can call each other but no video, only voice. So this is the configuration and settings of two indoor and two outdoor. Thank you.